Oh, good morning, Julie. Good morning. You're so cute. And you know it. Oh. I just love how animated you are. Oh. So early. You want to sleep. You want to sleep. Sleep just like your daddy. Your daddy sleeps. And you sleep. Oh. Whoa.